In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient in Canva. Gradients can add depth and interest to your designs, so if you're ready to learn how to apply them effortlessly, follow along with me. First things first, what you'll want to do is head over to the Canva website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Canva's URL, or simply search for Canva and click on the link to access the homepage. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your Canva account. So locate the Login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, or you might see an option to continue with your Google account. Select your Google account if prompted, or you can enter your email and password to proceed. Once everything checks out, click on Continue, and you're in. Now that you're signed in, you should land on your Canva dashboard. From here, find the project you want to work on and open it up. You can do this by scrolling through your recent designs or using the search bar to locate your project directly. Once you have your project open, it's time to select the element you want to add the gradient to. Click on the image or element you'd like to enhance. When you select the element, a toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. Look for the color palette icon. It usually looks like a rainbow or a color wheel. Once you spot it, give it a click to open up the color options. Within the color options, scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Gradient Colors. Here, Canva provides a selection of gradient patterns for you to choose from. Take some time to browse through these patterns. You might want to consider the mood and style of your design to pick a gradient that complements it. Select the gradient pattern that catches your eye. If you prefer something a little different, don't worry, you can always go back and try another one. The beauty of Canva is its flexibility, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect fit for your project. And once you've selected your gradient, that's it. You're done. Your design now has a beautiful gradient that elevates its visual appeal. If you ever want to make further adjustments, you can easily go back to the color options and try different gradients or tweak the colors to your satisfaction. So there you have it. Adding a gradient in Canva is straightforward and simple. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.